Hello, this is Pontal and welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, you learned about adjectives in Sesotho, and in this video, I will continue the adjectives. Just remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video with your friends. I always love hearing from you guys, so thank you so much for all of your support and your comments. If you're new to my channel, I'm Pontal and this is a Sesotho channel. You can learn the language by watching my videos. Grab your notebook, pen or pencil and let's get started. So, in the previous video, you learned these adjectives. Mbe, tie ena imbe, motho enwa o mobe. Now, today, in this one, I will teach you how to describe something that is beautiful. So, ntle is the word ending for beautiful. Motho enwa o motle. Motho enwa o motle. So, for example, you see your friend and you want to give them a compliment. You don't say motho enwa o motle. This is how you would do it. O motle jwang? Ao mokgotsi, o motle jwang? O motle jwang? And then the other person would obviously say, Ao hle, ke a leboha. Hle o motle haholo fela. Like you are very beautiful. O motle. O motle. Now let's get to the monati adjective, and that means delicious or enjoyable. So if you're talking about food, dijo tsena di monate. This food is delicious. Dijo tsena di monate. Dijo tsena di monate. Dijo tsena di monate jwang? Like not this beautiful. This food is so delicious. Like, yo, dijo tsena di monate jwang? Di monate jwang dijo tsa hao? How tseba pay? Like, your food is so delicious. You can really cook. Like, you really know how to cook. All right, monati can also be used when describing an event. Mokete ona o monate. This party is great. So monati means something enjoyable. It means that it either means delicious or enjoyable or yes, like just great, wonderful. So it's a positive adjective. It means that you are giving the thing, the noun, a positive description. Okay, nice. So I have described something that is good, which is monate, something that is beautiful, which is motle, ke motho e motle, ke batho ba batle. So remember the stem to describe something that is beautiful or to mean beauty is tle. Try to really concentrate on your pronunciation. It's not tle, it's tle, it's tle, 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 motle, letle, lesea lena, leletle. This baby is beautiful. Lesea means baby, like an infant. So lesea lena, this baby, letle. This baby is beautiful. This infant is beautiful. All right, we've reached the end of the video, and please don't forget to leave a comment, share the video with your friends, and to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notifications whenever I post a new video. Until next time, salang handle.